Hi my friends, Ian Stewart again, and in this training video I'm going to show you how to brand this particular banner. Okay, now, one of our members has asked me to brand it, so this is what I do. So first of all, I'm going to right click over the top of the banner, because that is the link, by the way, for the banner. Okay, now when I finish with it, it's not going to flash on and off here. This is a GIF image and I won't be able to do that. So we're going to save image as, and I'm going to go over the top of this one, Steve 1. Okay, yes, that's all right. I don't mind. Then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to use Word. Now, I'm not sure what you can use if you haven't got it, but this is what I do. And I click on Word, so it will come up with a new document. And I want a blank document. I want to click into the center. I'm yawning a little bit, guys. I'm yawning a little bit. I must be tired. Okay. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring that up there, because what I'm going to do, I've clicked the center and I'll click insert picture from my device. And we want, what did we say it was, guys? Wait a minute. We want to go to desktop. We're looking for Steve 1, aren't we? So we're going to Steve 1. So that's the banner he wants me to do. And we're going to have to do that, okay, to put his image on this end, okay. This time I'm going to right click over the top of it and I'm going to click wrap the text behind, okay, behind, put this picture, this is what it means. I'm putting this picture behind the text, okay. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to make sure that cursor is in the center, which it is. We're going to knock this down to around about 9. I'm going to leave it on that to library. I'm going to change this to white. I'm going to put there bought to you by ... Steve. Now I know it's not too big, but we can't do a lot, can we? We're stuck with what we've got. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now is insert another image, and this is of this handsome guy called Steve Hunt. So is that the one? Steve Hunt. Okay, which is too big, but what we're going to do, we're going to right click, wrap the text this time. Let's go behind. And what it enables me to do is position this. So I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to make that smaller, and that's all we can do, Steve, for you. Now I'm going to click 2 or 3 times here and just put that there. Okay, now I'm going to come back up here, just make it a little bit better. Okay, and a tiny bit more, which is good, because we'll see more of his handsome face. Okay, that will be alright. I'll show you what I'm going to do now. Now then, we're going to go over to Buildabizonline now. So we're using all the tools that we provide you over at Buildabizonline. Right, I've got to log into RoboForm because that's what I use. Got to look down here, see if you can see. No, I want my Buildabizonline, so it should be somewhere on this next page. I've got lots and lots and lots and lots. My Buildabizonline. Okay. Then I want you to go to your bonuses. And incidentally, guys, you've probably noticed this. Any problems viewing changes or logging into pages or missing images, click here and it will show you not a magic trick, but one that people keep forgetting to do. Now, what we're going to do on the bonus page, we are going to download something because I don't think I've done it yet, and that is the image cropping. Okay, so that's there. It's called Snapshot, and we're going to what can we do here? I'm going to close that down. I'm going to close that down. You can't see all this in action, but there you go. And I'm going to go like that. And I'm also going to make that a little bit smaller. That, because I want this snapshot. Where are you, my beauty? Where are you? There it is. I want that on here. Okay, because what I'm going to do now is right click that, extract all, extract, and there we got it. And that's that. And then I'm going to click setup. The little tool that I got hold of just for you guys. So, yes, I do want it to open up my suite. Thank you very much. And there we've got next. I accept it and agree because I know it's okay. Because I have keep clicking next till we get it. Create an icon. Yes, we do. And then install. That'll take a few seconds. And there we have Snapshot. Now this is a fantastic tool. You probably use something else, but we're going to click next and finish. Okay, and then we're going to just close that down. Right, and we can get rid of that. We can now get rid of that. We can get rid of that because we've got it on here. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to open everything back up. We're going to close all this down here. We're going to go over to our Word. Okay, and what we're going to do now is just reduce this a second. And reduce that a second because we're going to click on Snapshot. Okay, and there we have Snapshot. So what we're going to do is click on, we're going to click on Capture. Okay, and we're going to go Capture Rectangular Area. I should have done this, shouldn't I, before? It's not what I wanted to do. So let me just get this done properly. Bring this to the front here. Click on Snapshot. And then click Capture. We want, what are we after? We're after, not full screen, a small rectangular area. Okay, and we're going to go from that corner right the way across to this corner. Okay, and we're going to go like that. And there we have it. And we're going to save as, and I'm going to put it just leave it as snapshot, or you can change it Steve dash 2. Then we know what we've got, yeah. Okay, so then we're going to close that down because we don't need it anymore. Because what we've got is, where are you? That's not it, is it? Wait a minute, where's that gone? That's not it, that's another one I did for him. Where's that gone then, guys? Shall I do this again? Oh dear. Here's me teaching you and I can't do it myself. Capture. Rectangular. Go from corner. You know what I did wrong because I've just realised. Save as. Desktop. Steve. Steve-2. Save. And there we have Steve-2. Okay, so we can close that down now because we don't want it. We can close all that lot down because we don't want it. No, I don't. We can bring this back up because what we do want now, and I'm going to show this. Let me come up to the top because you may not know this, but we have got this image hosting here. Okay, so we click on image hosting in your bonuses, and this is what you've got. Okay, now then, so you've got to log in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use something else at your disposal because I forgot my login details. But if you go to buildabizonline.com/share, there's another fantastic tool. Woof. Look at this. Now, if you click now, browse, and then you go to Steve-2. I tell you what we have to do first, guys. Wait a minute. Close the slot down. Click on Steve-2. Because I'll tell you something, I've got a sneaky feeling it's the wrong size. Now, it is, it's massive. So what I'm going to do, I have provided you in your members area as well. Here's the members area. A tool that I use for resizing. Are you listening, Steve? It's called View. Image, editing, and resize. Now, once you download that free, right, you can go over there and you can open Steve, open with View, and you watch this now, guys. You can click on image. Hope you can see this. Yes, you can. Resize. You can do all sorts with this, and you can see. Let me just make this a bit brighter. Oh, not that bright. Keep this off, and I want you to put in there 468 times by, you know it, 60. Then I want to click OK. Then we're going to click Save and have a look. It'll come out as a JPEG. You can put it to whatever you want, JPEG, or another good is PNG. But we're going to leave it at JPEG and we're going to click Save. So now what we've got is two on here. That was the one, and now this one. So if we hover over the top, click somewhere away from it, hover over the top, should tell us it's a PNG, and this is the one. It's a 468 times 60 JPEG. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put that straight in my bin. I'm going to come back over here, go over here to buildabizonline.com/share, and then click Browse on the desktop, Steve-2. Click on there and then click Upload. And there is Steve's banner, and this is the address. Copy that, put that into here, and that is the image. Do not lose this link. You'll never be able to get it back. So store it. And that is how you do a branded banner. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye for now. Boom, 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 boom.